Huh? I didn't realize I fell asleep. Ugh, my neck hurts. I must have slept in a weird position. It's raining again. I'm fed up with rain. I hope the weather's nice when my family comes to visit. If it doesn't clear up, I won't see the stars tonight either. I wonder how everyone's doing. Are they having fun with their classmates? I miss them so much. Wait a second. This isn't a hospital bed. Oh, that's right. I'm not ill anymore. I can see everyone again.
Saki, are you not ready yet? It's good to take care getting ready for the day, but if you take too long, you'll be late.
What? It's morning? What time is it? Oh no! I overslept! I made it! That was close. If Tsukasa didn't wake me up, I'd definitely be late for classes.
Morning, Saki. Glad you made it. You're not the type to oversleep in the mornings, so I was surprised when you messaged me. Did you stay up late?
No, but I guess I was so caught up in my dream I couldn't wake up.
What sort of dream?
Well, it was, thanks for the warning. Come on, Ichi. We should return to our seats.
Yeah, right.
She'd feel bad if I told her I was dreaming about when I was in the hospital. The hospital was too far for her to visit me often, and she seemed to feel guilty because of it. I don't want to cause my friends any more worries now that I've gotten better. Let's make the most of this day! Yay! Time to close the textbooks and head out to practice!
Yeah, you're really hyped today, Saki.
I guess so. I almost started the day on the wrong foot, but it's all good now. Besides, today we have a date you know where.
That's right. It's been a while since we last went. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, hi Saki. Hi Ichika. Honami, it's been a long day at school, huh? Let me give you a hug.
Don't cause a scene in the corridor.
Shiho! Don't worry, I've got a hug for you too!
I asked you to cut it out. You got important plans today, so let's find somewhere out of public sight.
Saki, you should see yourself.
I promise I won't try to hug you anymore! Let go of my face!
Looks like no one's around. Are you all ready?
Yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Welcome back!
We've been waiting for you.
Miku! Luka! Thanks for having us!
Always happy to. I see you're full of pep as always, Saki.
And yeah, this morning she almost turned up late for class. I was surprised.
What? Really? That's unusual for Saki.
Why is that school so early? What happened this time?
Hee hee! I fell asleep again right after waking up.
Okay, that checks out.
Enough about that! I can't wait to show the fruits of our hard work to Miku and Luka!
Okay, let's get ready to play.
Yeah.
That dream made me break out in cold sweat, but I'm fine now. I'm no longer alone. I'm with all my friends. I have to make up for lost time.